In this tutorial from Sofa Rehab, we will be demonstrating how to successfully replace the recliner handle and cable in this recliner chair. The only tools that you will need are a manual or electric screwdriver and a pair of pliers. We know that the cable needs replacing because when we pull the trigger release latch, the footrest is not extending. Firstly, we remove the trigger release handle from the side of the chair by removing the two screws located at the top and bottom of the handle behind the latch. Pull the handle clear from the side of the chair. Access to where the cable meets the mechanism is via the base of the chair, so we tip the chair over so we can easily access the end of the cable. We have laid a protective sheet on the floor to avoid any damage to the leather of this chair. Using the pliers, we are pinching the plastic clip closed, which will allow us to push it through and release the cable from the mechanism. The plastic clip can only be accessed when the footrest of the recliner is closed. We now pull the mechanism arm to release the footrest, which will give access to the release arm where the cable end is fitted. Lift the release arm to expose the cable end and unhook the cable, making a note of which hole the cable was housed. Now pull the cable free from the recliner. Feed the replacement cable back through the side of the recliner. Fit the plastic clip into position, ensuring you hear a click to confirm a secure fit. Lift the release arm again and hook the end of the cable into one of the holes. You may have more than one hole to choose from, and this will dictate the tension of the cable and how responsive the trigger release is. This can be adjusted at any time if needed. Close the footrest and place the item back in the upright position. Secure the handle back into position with the screws previously removed. The new cable and handle is tested and the recliner footrest now releases correctly. Thank you for watching, and as you can see, no experience is needed to replace a recliner handle and cable. Now don't forget to head over to sofarehab.com.au for more tutorials or a wide range of recliner handles and cables.